Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video we're going to show you how you can download images and photos from Google Chrome really quickly. So let's get started right away. In the first step, launch Google Chrome on your PC or laptop and head over to google.com. Now in the next step, enter the search term here in the search bar you would like to find images or photos for. Like for instance, let us go with funny cat just for demonstration purposes. So type it in here. After that, switch from all to images here. You may also narrow down your search by using some of the search suggestions there. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on tools here to the right. And here where it says usage rights, click on that arrow down icon to select the usage rights for your downloaded images and photos, like Creative Commons licenses, for instance, or images and photos that are allowed or can be used for commercial purposes. So that's totally up to you. And after that, browse through the entries below, right click on the photo or image you would like to download, like that one here for instance, and select save as to save it on your computer or device. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.